Hi, I am going to demonstrate how to fix this frustrating error using three different methods first. Let's test it on this application, which currently may not be working properly. Right, click on it and choose Run as administrator. If it worked, that's great for you. Your issue is now solved quickly and without much trouble. If not, the second step is installing essential applications for your Windows system environment. These include DirectX as well as Visual C. You can easily download them from Microsoft website and install them correctly without complications. Then open this PC and select Computer Settings. Next, choose Uninstall or change a program afterwards. Click on Programs and Features, and then Open Turn Windows, Features On or Off. You will see this settings window appear. Make sure both .NET Framework versions are checked. If one is unchecked, usually the 3.5 option selected and press OK, then it will automatically download and install the missing feature quickly. You just need to wait until it is finished after installing those apps. Try launching your program if it worked. That is excellent news for you. If not, attempt the first step. Once again, if still unsuccessful, continue with the last method. You must download this compressed file. I will leave the link for it inside the video description. Extract that downloaded file carefully. First, then navigate to the in-game folder directory. There you will notice two available files to determine which one to choose. Go to this PC, right-click, and then select the Properties section. Check whether your Windows is 32 or 64-bit, and then open the matching version. Accordingly, copy the files provided in this directory, then move into your game folder and paste them. Allow Replace. If Windows prompts you to overwrite afterwards, open the DLL files subfolder and copy every file that exists inside. Next, head to this PC and open local disk C, enter the Windows folder where system files are stored, press the S key to locate System 32 and Syswo 64, then paste all copied files into those directories. Now, after completing everything, your game should run. If not, just restart the PC and attempt again. This time, ensure you run the application as admin. So that concludes today's video tutorial session. I really hope this explanation was useful. Thanks a lot for watching and supporting.